Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, so I'm back at Aldi. It's Monday morning. There's a lot of goodies I'm looking for, so I'm excited. Today is the start of a very busy week for my family. My middle schooler starts track. We have 2 after-school doctor appointments. Bottom line, it's busy, so I have easy meals planned for the week. So let's get in, get the goods. I'll share the meal plan at the end, and don't forget, any recipe I use is going to be linked below. Let's go. Well, my husband's going to be disappointed. First thing on my list was oyster crackers, and they don't have them. It's so hit and miss. Thankfully, they have peanuts for his Chex Mix, which is why he wanted oyster crackers as well, but these are $2.19. My kids wanted something different for their lunches at school, so I'm going to get these, $1.89. Okay, naan is not on my list, but $2 off. It will go in my cart and into my freezer, so it'll only be $2.29. We're having simple spaghetti and meatballs, and I'm gonna have a baguette with steamed vegetables, so I need the baguette, $1.79. We're gonna have sheet pan nachos, $1.95. I'm actually getting 2 bags, just so we have chips and salsa, $1.95 for each bag. And I'm going to get the medium salsa for $2.19. Loaf of white bread, basically for toast and peanut butter sandwiches, $1.29. Red grapes have been real winners, so I'm going to get a bag. They still look really good, $1.39 a pound. Okay, I need Brussels sprouts, $2.89 for a side for dinner, and then also asparagus, $2.39. My husband told me to get more oranges because he said they were very good. And by told me, I mean he requested them. So $4.29. I slice these and have them on a plate with dinner. My whole family loves them. I'm gonna get probably 3 cucumbers. Really easy to slice, easy vegetable. My kids like them. $2.79 for lettuce. This will be good for nachos, tacos, and just for salads. I bought these last week. I air fried them and I thought they were so delicious. Definitely recommend. $2.22 for a dozen eggs. Looks like there was maybe a little brawl up here, so we'll go down. I need a gallon of milk, $2.65. I need half and half for a pecan praline sauce for pumpkin pancakes this week, $2.65. Okay, so butter is on sale. I'm actually gonna buy probably 4 of these at $2.49 a piece because it's such a good price. I also need more spread butter. Olive oil and sea salt is my favorite, $3.49. Okay, I saw this. I'm actually going to get these instead of the cheese puffs for my kids' lunch. $1.99. So I'm putting the cheese puffs back. Running low on onions, so I'm getting these for $2.29. I'm going to get 3 cans of potatoes to make a breakfast potato, 85 cents a piece. I switched to sliced since that'll be easier. I'm getting a bag of mini peppers. These will be good for nachos and just to have as a vegetable, $2.99. Black beans for nachos, 77 cents. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 Roma tomatoes. They're actually really soft, so I'm a little nervous about the quality, but these ones back here seem better. 95 cents a pound. And the neighbor to the tomatoes, I'm getting a bag of these mini single-serve avocados for nachos and tacos this week, $2.29. Unless I'm like going crazy, I've not been able to find Worcestershire sauce at Aldi anywhere, like for a long time. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart for that, unfortunately. I've not bought my favorite granola in quite a while, and it just looked good when I walked by. I eat this like a dessert after meals sometimes, $2.65, so delicious. Getting a box of rice Chex for Chex Mix for my husband, $2.79. Getting juice boxes for the kids' lunches, $3.18. Okay, this is what I thought would be fun to look at. I'm not gonna buy a windbreaker. They're only $10. The pullover is only $10. It looks like someone else already opened it so you could see what it looks like. Has the Aldi symbol and stripes. Pretty lightweight. I love Aldi. I just don't think I need to wear that. The bag, that's cute. I actually do like that. And they have the hats. Okay, I'm getting that. I do like that, and I like to wear hats in the summer. Little Aldi smiley face, only $3.99. The joggers are here, very much match the pullovers. Different socks. I have the slides from last week. I showed you guys those, and I used them on my stair stepper. But they do have the gear. It's all here. Cute. Umbrellas. Who can hate a rainy day if you have an Aldi umbrella, right? The canvas sneakers are really cute. They're only $8.99, and I do really like those. Oh my gosh, I love this one. No, I would wear that if they had my size. I wear size women's 11, and their shoes just don't fit me. I've tried squeezing into a 10, but I do really like those purple shoes. Lots of silicone trays and baking gear. Very festive for springtime. Mini griddles are always cute. I have a mini waffle maker that I love. Makes great single serving items. I do really like that. That's beautiful. $19.99 to hold cookbooks or a tablet. Tablecloths. Lots of kids' shoes here. Only $7.99. Kids' umbrellas. These are great Easter basket editions. Lots of seeds. Oh, look at, they have the Easter toys, which is what I wanted to look for. Oh, okay, here we go. First of all, World's Smallest is about my favorite thing ever. So I'm gonna get this one for my daughter. I'm maybe gonna get Candyland for my son because he actually really likes that. Magic 8 Ball. They have a Barbie house. Oopsie. A Hot Wheel. Oh, another troll. Oh, this is what I'll do. I'll get all three of them a mini troll just because they're so cute. Oh no. $2.99 each. And then my son loves Dino Smashers, so I'm gonna get him one of these as well. $5.99. He sometimes tries to watch my videos, so hopefully he doesn't. And then the other thing I wanted to get him was one of these. It comes with 2 booster packs, a sticker sheet, and art card. So I think I'll get him this one because it reminds me of him a little more. $7.99. But they do have lots of things. Oh, egg decorating kit. That's cute. Maybe I'll get this. I'll get this for when we decorate eggs. $1.89, good price. But they have lots of fillers, even if you don't get the things that I got. Little baby dolls. I love these books. And they still have all the candy. Okay, I ran out of 3 seasonings. I need garlic powder, garlic salt. They don't have garlic powder. It looks like they're out, but they just simply don't have rosemary, which is the other one I needed. So 1 for 3. It's 97 cents. $1.88 for 2 pounds of spaghetti. As I mentioned, spring break starts at the end of this week. They don't have a full week of school. My kids love pasta and red sauce. $1.45. I'm getting 2 of these. A staple, $2.75. My son's favorite mac and cheese, getting a couple for lunches, $1.65. Chopped pecans, $4.69 for pecan praline sauce for pumpkin pancakes. Baking soda just ran out last week, 69 cents. So last week I did make an apple pie, but since I had 2 crusts, I ended up making a pumpkin pie, and that made my husband want pumpkin pancakes. So pumpkin pancakes are on the menu this week, $1.19. $2.19 for a bag of flour because we're running low. I've never tried the fully cooked bacon, but sometimes I want just a slice or two, and so I'm gonna try it. $3.25. And speaking of bacon, I'm also getting my favorite bacon from Aldi, the premium sliced hardwood smoked, $4.19, having it with pancakes. Lots of hams for Easter, and they still have all of the different fish, seafood things. Seafood paella, flounder. The beef dumplings look really yummy to me, but I'm the only one that loves those, so they sit in my freezer. I've kind of given up making them for my family. But these ones do look pretty good. The mandu beef. They're $6.89. They also have bone-in turkey breast. Okay, so here's all more pizzas. They have these, I don't know, arancini things, loaded tots. I've never tried the loaded tots simply because they don't seem value worth it to me. But the tostadas, those look pretty good, but they're $3.89 a piece. Again, I just make them at home for much less than that. Chicken schnitzel looks good still. Quick cut fries, the smiles. I don't know what these are. Beef patty fritters, country fried steak. It's $5.49 for those. Mini chicken tikka samosas. Those look yummy. Gelato, ice creams, St. Patrick's Day cones. They're half off now due to St. Patrick's Day coming and going. Should I get those for my kids and my husband? 50 cents a piece. Let's go for it. I know they'll like them. We love this stuff. Need more of it. $2.49. My kids' favorite cheese, and I'm gonna get 2 bags since it's on sale. We are having chicken shawarmas this weekend for 2 dinners. I need lots of hummus. It's $2.49 a piece. I'm gonna make meatballs with the spaghetti this week. This will get us multiple meals, $6.19. I haven't bought this in a while, but I do really enjoy this wine, and it hasn't been here. Last time I checked, it wasn't here, which was quite a while ago, but I saw it and I wanted to get it again. Only $3.99. Okay, I was able to find 5 of my unflavored, 79 cents a piece. We're in like the second Aldi finds out. There's lots of markdowns of different random toy things. They have trunk organizer, seat covers. I don't remember seeing those, but they might have been here last time. A lot of this stuff looks like it's been here a while. Lots of markdowns. Okay, so here was my grand cart. Any guesses on the total? I forgot to put these out by the time I got the checkout, so I just bought them. Well, my jaw almost dropped when I hit $161.91. Here it is all bagged. I did go a little crazy with the Aldi finds, so between that and the butter stock up, yikes. How's the new hat look? I like it. Okay, I'm taking care of my groceries, but here is my meal plan for the week. Spicy potato tacos. These were from last week. They got bumped to this week. That happens quite often around here. I have gnocchi from Christmas time that I still have in the freezer, so I'm going to make an Alfredo sauce. I use Parmesan, heavy cream, butter, garlic, very simple. I'm going to have Brussels sprouts, and I'm not sure if I'll make a meat with that. I do have chicken that's frozen. Sheet pan nachos. I have frozen taco meat. We have black beans. Basically, we'll chop up the tomatoes. I still have some cilantro. Whatever anyone wants, they can top themselves. Avocado. We make it with just the cheese in the oven, bake it on tortilla chips, and everyone tops it themselves. That was my 11-year-old's request for dinner this week. Again, my husband asked for pumpkin pancakes. I follow a recipe for the pumpkin pancakes and the pecan praline sauce. Those are both linked below. We love them. I've made them every fall multiple times, and then every once in a while it just sounds good to my husband. My teen, Mila, requested chicken shawarmas. The funny thing is she's vegetarian and does not eat the chicken, but I make tabbouleh with this, and I buy my pita from a Lebanese restaurant locally, and then I make a tabbouleh that I have to get a bunch of ingredients from Walmart for that. I have to get fresh mint, fresh parsley, and that I will be picking up later this week at a Walmart pickup. And it is enough effort that if I make it, I have it for 2 dinners. So last week's chicken pack, I actually cut and diced 4 chicken shawarmas this week. And then finally, we are going to have carry-out pizza. I used to not put this on the meal plan, and almost every single week we ended up eating it. For instance, last week I did not put pizza on the meal plan. We still ended up getting pizza, so I just need to have it on my weekly meal plan so that I don't end up bumping a meal like spicy potato tacos. So carry-out pizza is pretty much something we do every Friday or Saturday, one or the other, and that's my plan. So $161. This is the meal plan. Any recipes that I use are linked below. Everything doesn't always have a recipe. For instance, nachos, no recipe, but I can share with you how I make my taco beef. But I can share with you how I make my taco beef. If you want to see exactly how I prep and store frozen portions of taco meat, you can check out this video that I made many years ago, but I still use this method today. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Don, and ciao.